How to quickly memorize the first 5 elements of the periodic table. Hydrogen is the first element of the periodic table. This image represents hydrogen. The number 1 is represented by a unicorn because unicorns only have one horn. Next, we have to convert the name hydrogen into a picture. Hydrogen sounds similar to hydrant, like a fire hydrant. If we picture a unicorn standing on a fire hydrant, we will forever remember that hydrogen is the first element. This image will be burned into your mind forever every time you think of hydrogen. Helium is the second element of the periodic table. This image represents helium. The number 2 is represented by a bicycle because bicycles have 2 wheels. Next, we have to convert the name helium into a picture. Helium is represented by a helium-filled balloon. If we picture a bicycle attached to 2 floating balloons, we will forever remember that helium is the second element. This image will be burned into your mind forever every time you think of helium. Lithium is the third element of the periodic table. This image represents lithium. The number 3 is represented by a triceratops because triceratops have 3 horns. Next, we have to convert the name lithium into a picture. Lithium is represented by a lithium battery. If we picture a triceratops that is powered by a lithium battery, we will forever remember that lithium is the third element. This image will be burned into your mind forever every time you think of lithium. Beryllium is the fourth element of the periodic table. This image represents beryllium. The number 4 is represented by a 4-leaf clover because they have 4 leaves. Next, we have to convert the name beryllium into a picture. Beryllium sounds similar to berry lemon, like a berry lemon smoothie. If we picture a 4-leaf clover blending a berry lemon smoothie, we will forever remember that beryllium is the 4th element. This image will be burned into your mind forever every time you think of beryllium. Boron is the 5th element of the periodic table. This image represents boron. The number 5 is represented by a star because stars have 5 points. Next, we have to convert the name boron into a picture. Boron sounds similar to boron, like a boar standing on an on button. If we picture a boar standing on a star-shaped on button, we will forever remember that boron is the 5th element. This image will be burned into your mind forever every time you think of boron.